Guys, this is Rito, and I had a student. She's taking Algebra 2 honors, and here are some of the questions she had asked me, and I hope that this will help her figure out the answers. So one of them is find the sum of the geometric series. So we have 2/3 plus 2/5 plus 6 over 25 plus 1 over 18 over 125 dot dot dot. So here you can see that A is equal to 2/3, which is just the first number, and R is equal to 3/5. R is the ratio of the terms. As you can see, when you multiply each term by 3/5, the next number follows. So you have the formula A over 1 minus R. So A is equal to 2/3 over 1 minus 3/5. So you simplify 2/3 over 2/5, and then you get 5/3 as your answer. So the sum of the geometric series is equal to 5/3. So that helps her find figure this one out. And I have a problem. It's distance equals rate. It's a motorboat. A motorboat heads upstream a distance of 32 miles on a river whose current is running at 4 miles per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. Assuming that the motorboat maintained a constant speed relative to the water, what was its speed? We know that this is distance equals rate times time. We also know what the distance over time equals rate. As you can see, you just divide by t to both sides. So here's a table. So upstream, so when you're traveling upstream, you're fighting against the current, so it'll be x. We don't know the rate, so we're gonna say x minus 4. And the distance, we know it took 32 miles. So time would be 32 over x minus 4. And downstream, the current is helping you, so it'd be x plus 4. Distance would be 32. So the time would be 32 over x plus 4. So how would you set that up? So we know that it took them 6 hours to travel upstream and downstream. So it'd be 32 over x minus 4 plus 32 over x plus 4 equals 6 hours. So what's the LCD? LCD is x minus 4x plus 4. You multiply each term by x minus 4x plus 4. You get 32 x plus 4 plus 32 x minus 4 is equal to 6 x minus 4 and x plus 4. You distribute, you get 32x plus 128 plus 32x minus 128 equals 6x squared minus 96. So simplify, you get 64x equals 6x squared minus 96. So it's 0 equals 6x squared minus 64x minus 96. You just factor that. You get, actually you can simplify, you can take out a 2. So it'll be 3x squared minus 32x minus 48. You can divide by 2 to both sides. So you get 3x plus 4. When you factor, x minus 12. So x is equal to negative 4/3 and x equals 12. As you notice that x equals negative 4/3 cannot be, because we're talking about miles per hour and we can't have negative values. So the speed of the motorboat is 12 miles per hour. I have another problem. It's in the book, so I'm just gonna show you the problem. It's number 59. Semi-elliptical arc bridge. An arc in the shape of the upper half of an ellipse is used to support a bridge that is to span a river 20 meters wide. The center of the arc is 6 meters above the center of the river. See the figure, write an equation for the ellipse in which the x-axis coincides with the water level and the y-axis passes through the center of the arc. As you can see, there's the bridge. The arc is 6 meters and the length is 20 meters. So it's 20 meters wide, I mean. So how would I do this? So this is an ellipse, so we have that formula of an ellipse, x squared plus over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals a. So we just take half of 20, which is 10, and you square it, you get x, you get 100, and then 6 is basically itself. So you have y squared over, and you square that, you get 36 equals 1. That is the formula of an ellipse. I hope this helps her, and thank you so much.